Hey, welcome to Spring Contest. It's Sale versus Julie. Ready, set, go! Oh, and by the way, I'm sorry to say it. If they got out of water, somebody loses. It's all holding the guts to each other. And he made a cheating spot. And this is his cover. And cheating. Look what they're making. Phil and Julie. Ooh.
And then you're gonna watch me.
Aha! Phil is the winner! Thanks for watching that video. See ya. Oh, and you put spray somebody. Okay? Put it on it.
See you first.
And that's my sister. He said, that's his freaky friend. He don't want to lose. He doesn't say it was Joey. Thanks for watching.